100%. So the cost of the lease is always 100%. So that's the starting point. So we say cost of sales is always 100%. Then we get a markup of 25%. So if we add these two, we are going to get 125% plus the selling price percentage. So this formula is applied to all the sales. So let's use the formula to calculate cost of sales if we are given a sales amount. So cost for sales will be CP over the selling price percentage applied with the selling price. This amount. This is percentage. So how we replace the formula with the figures. So it's 100% over 125% multiplied with 1,360. So this is going to give us, if we do the calculation, it's going to give us 1,808. That is for day 4. Then for day 7, still apply the same formula, 100 over 125, multiplied by the sales amount for day 7, which is 2040. So if we calculate this amount, is going to give us the cost of sales 1,652. So we do the calculation for all these transitions. Well, cost of sales will be 1,880. Year cost 1,632. Year cost of sale, if we do the calculation of 1,224, we calculate, if we calculate the cost of sales in the same formula, we'll get a cost of sales of 544. 540. Then the year cost of sales, if we do the calculation, 3,000 per minute. So we are going to use this cost of sales when recording the transactions. Oh, the short document is 10 and it's day 4. Number of the data is radio. You assume that the radio is data about. So the amount for sales is 1,360. Cost of sales is calculated is 1,808. Okay. Then day 7, source document to be getting for someone. Day 7, cheap life. Cheap life student number 2. The amount for sales was 2,040. Also sales has calculated this. Paper 1,662. The next day is day 14. Source document is 012. And the sales, credit sales to S January. S January is dated 3. Amount for sales is 1,530. The cost of sales has calculated is 1,224. The next transaction is for day 21. The source of payment is triplicate invoice number day 21. So GBLI is already appearing in the books. Yes, data number 2. Then the sales amount is 608. The cost of sales 540. Then day 25, source documents 014, day 25. This January again is already appearing in the bit. This data number 3. When the sales amount is 4,250, and cost of sales is 3,400. If we add the sales, they won't get 9,860. If we add cost of sales, we are going to get.
Thank you.